Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From here, we can write this as 5 raised to power x into brackets 1 plus 1 here, close bracket, equals to 100 on this side. Then here we have 5 raised to power x times 1 plus 1 here, that's 2, equals to 100 here. Then divide both sides by 2. That is, divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. So cancel each other here, and we have 5 raised to power x equals to 100 over 2. Then here we have 5 raised to power x equals to 2 times 50 over 2. Here 2 cancel each other here, and we have 5 raised to power x equals to 50 here. Next step, we take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 50 here. This follows when we have log n raised to power p. This is the same thing as p log m. That is, we apply this here and we have x log 5 equals to log 50 here. Then we divide both sides by log 5 here. Divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. That is, log 5, we cancel each other here, and we have x equals to log 50 over log 5. Then let's write 50 as 5 times 10. Then we have x equals to log 5 times 10 over log 5. Then this follows from the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this is the same thing as log a plus log b. So from here, I write as x equals to log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. So we separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. That is, log 5 cancel each other here. We have one left, which implies x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 5. Next step here, also, we can write 10 as 5 times 2. That is, what we have becomes x equals to 1 plus log 5 times 2 over log 5. And this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. Then this follows when we have a plus b over c, which is a over c plus b over c. Then we can write this as x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. Then also log 5 cancel each other here. We have one left, That is x now equals to 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus log 2 over log 5. And when we apply change of base here, that is log a over log b, same thing as log a to base b. So what we have here now becomes x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5. We have the value of x in this problem in terms of logarithm. Let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus also 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 is it equals to 100 on this side. And when we look at this follows. When we had same thing together, this a plus a can rise as 2 times a. So also here can rise as 2 times 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 is it equals to 100 on this side. And this follows law of indices a raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. That is, we have 2 times 5 square times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 is it equals to 100 on this side. Then we have 2 times 5 square here, that's 25. Then times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5. Then we should recall when we have is it equals to 100 here. So when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. Yeah, 2 times 25, that's 50. Then times this, compared to this now we have 2. Is it equals to 100 on this side? And 50 times 2 here give us 100, which is equals to 100 here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that the value of x here, which is 2 plus log 2 base 5, satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this to subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video with your thumbs up, put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.